Now again, for this type of question, students are going to freak out because it looks very long and then oh my god, there are two diagrams. Oh my god, how? Then start panicking. Relax, chill, calm down, go sentence by sentence, try to get as much information as you can. Do not freak out. Now, they said that Auntie June had a rectangular notice board, so this is the notice board. And then she had some circular pieces of paper, and each of them has a diameter of 40. So can we write down this one first? So the diameter here, I'm going to write D equals to 40 cm. Okay, which means that your R will be half of the D, so it is 40 divided by 2, giving us 20 cm. Always write down all the information so that you do not lose focus. Now, so what she said is that she cuts all the circular pieces of paper into semicircles. So that means she cut them into two and decorate the entire notice board using all the semicircles, following the pattern shown below. So she is actually stacking each other, right? And each piece of the semicircular paper is in contact with those next to it. So they are exactly touching each other, but there is no overlap. So this makes it very easy. They're asking for how many pieces of circular paper does Auntie June have at first. For you to find out how many pieces of circular paper Auntie June has, you have to find out how many pieces of semicircular paper is needed to fill up this board. To find out how many semicircular pieces of paper she needs, right? You have to find out the height. How many circular papers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 5. 5 semicircular pieces. How about the length? The length, each piece of paper we have to consider diameter. Diameter is 40 cm. Okay, how many 40 cm add up together will give me 240 cm. Okay, so you just take 240 divided by 40, that will be 6. So Auntie June requires 6 semicircular paper. So if I have 5 over here and then I have 6 over here, we can then find out how many pieces of semicircular paper she needs, because we merely have to take 5 multiplied by 6. So for part A, you take 5 multiplied by 6, that will give us 30, and there will be 30 semicircular paper. But the question is asking for how many circular paper. Each circular paper requires 2 semicircular paper. So if I have 30 semicircular paper, so I just take 30 divided by 2 to get 15. And that means it will be 15 circular paper. Okay, all these are just logic, it's nothing too difficult. Now let's move on to the next part. They said that find the area of the notice board covered by the semicircular pieces of paper. To find the area of the notice boards covered by the semicircular paper, isn't it the area of 15 circular paper? Now can we find the area of 1 circular paper first? Now for part B, let's find the area of 1 circle. So always write down the formula first to remind yourself. It will be pi times r times r. So remember just now, this is what I did. I want to get all the information first before I even go to the working and then realize that I need it. Now we realize that the radius is 20 cm. So, and then they said taken pi to be 3.14. So isn't it just 3.14 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 20? Okay, so what answer will that give us? So let's throw this in your calculator. 3.14 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 20, that will give us 1256 cm square. So since one area is 1256, how about 15? So area of, you cannot see, right? Sorry. Area of 15 circles. This will be easy because we just have to take 1256 multiplied by 15, and what will that give us? This will give us 18,840 cm squared. So this is the final answer for this. So if you're a parent watching this, please help your child to rationalize through the first portion. Get a dimension ready first and explain to them, how do you get the number of semicircles to fit to the top? And how do you get a number of semicircles to fit from the left to right by doing this? After that, help them to all calm down, okay, relax their mind and slowly go through this portion, working by working. Okay, so if you all realize the way that I do it, right, I always like to write down the statement and then my arrow and then my formula and then my working. All these are what we consider guiding posts, so that the child will not get the things wrong. Okay, use this method, it is great. Alright, done.